Oh no! Taylor, this is all your fault. You didn't charge the camera.
Listen, I'm sorry. Do better next time.
Where is she?
Hello everyone! We're vlogging!
We're vlogging!
And it's Vlogmas, Vlogmas, Vlogmas. And guess what, you guys? Tonight is the night. It's the premiere. The countdown. To guess what, you guys?
Eve's great, no matter where she goes. Dress her up from her head to her toe. You guys.
You excited?
You guys, who've seen it? If you've seen it, comment below, you guys. How was it?
Yeah, I don't know.
Are we gonna like it?
I don't know. If you guys haven't already seen the first life size, hello, Lindsay Lohan, Tyra Banks, where are you? If you haven't seen it, go watch it now.
Taylor.
So we're watching the second one, you guys. It's called A Christmas Eve, because bitch, it's Christmas up in this bitch, okay? So we have Jordan here, roll call, Taylor, and Cass. And we're gonna get down tonight. We're gonna watch this movie, we're gonna do some face masks, bake some gluten-free banana bread.
And vegan.
And vegan?
Yeah, vegan.
Yeah! Okay, my arm's gonna break off and the camera's gonna die because Taylor and Jordan didn't charge the camera, so I'm gonna go charge the camera for a little bit and then we'll come back.
Sorry, Taylor here. Great party.
Are you doing masks or not yet? I did some masks before you die.
So this is the gluten-free vegan banana nut bread, no nuts.
Whoa, we have some, let's put some in.
Are nuts gluten-free?
What do you mean?
Is that a stupid question? Wait, is that a stupid question? Am I gonna get like bashed in the comments? Ah!
Wouldn't that be good?
Yes, walnuts!
Yeah, walnuts are
Wait, are walnuts vegan?
No.
We have champagne, even though it's not real champagne, it's sparkling wine. Do you guys know the difference? Comment down below and we'll tell you. Anyways, tell them the trick, Jordan, because this is a huge, huge party trick.
Listen, party trick, you guys.
Okay. I'm back.
Listen, party trick, you guys. If you have like a bottle of wine or sparkling wine, and it's warm, and I'm like, oh shoot, I don't got time to put it in the refrigerator. We need to drink it like lickety split. Get a paper towel, actually like a few, get them wet, wrap it around your bottle, throw it in the freezer for like 20 minutes, boom.
Wow.
It's freezing.
Shit actually works too, you guys.
It's a real thing.
Do you even care?
Okay.
Tell them what you're saving the day with right now.
100% pure coconut oil. Saving our day because Haley does not own vegetable oil.
I have olive, oh wait.
That doesn't work.
I have olive oil, but Taylor had the brilliant idea of using coconut oil because Taylor's a genius.
Because olive
Slightly.
oil would be disgusting.
And Kopari! Hopefully this works. I know it'll work,
It'll be great.
but
It'll be good. It'll be
hopefully it just tastes as good. I don't know.
Just pour this in.
Okay.
Do the mixer.
Like a hand mixer.
Like a whisk.
Oh my god!
Is it sparkling?
Oh my gosh. That smells so good. Okay. What's next?
This is our egg.
Haley! Ugh!
It'll be fine. We need our half a cup of coconut oil. Got it. See what
Can I put this in the microwave? Probably not, right?
We'll probably be fine.
Oil. Get in there. You guys ready for this?
Oh.
You guys, this is what's been going on. Jordan's been doing this. Wait, focus. Okay, you can go. For 10 minutes, exactly.
Oh my gosh, ouch. Ouch.
Okay, you guys, the battery's dying. We've got to get this in the oven so we can watch our movie.
We're gonna do math.
We have her on pause over there. Did you pick your mask?
No.
Did you pick your mask?
No.
Did you pick your mask? Should I pick my mask? No, but I got my headband on. I'm ready to go. Okay, guys, so we're getting cozy on the couch and we're masking.
And we're like 20 minutes
This
in.
is so far away.
I know.
Get closer. Okay, so
we're like 20 minutes into this movie, Life Size 2, and I don't know what's happening so far.
yeah, we're I don't know. It's gonna get
starting.
We're seeing. But
so
anyways,
we're
let's
each
tell
gonna
them.
go around and tell you guys what mask we're using and one thing about it. So I'm using the Brooklyn Botany Charcoal Mud Mask. I love this and it suits my soul.
Okay, hi, I'm Jordan. Welcome. Okay, I'm using the First Aid Beauty Ginger and Turmeric Vitamin C Jelly Mask. I really love this mask because it suits my soul.
So I can't really move my face right now. It's hardened quite a bit. But I'm using Glamglow Supermud Clearing Treatment. And it burned a little bit when it went on, but now it feels great. I'm feeling like it's really pulling everything out.
Yeah!
And I'm using the First Aid Beauty Skin Rescue Purifying Mask with red clay. Ooh. And it's pulling out toxins and minimizing pores. Ooh. And it feels good. It's like minty. Ooh. It's a little sticky right there still.
You're doing great, sweeties. So we are going to finish masking a little bit. We're gonna rinse off.
We're also
and
drinking
then
Bellinis, which are delicious.
the banana bread has like 10 more minutes left. And then we're gonna show you guys. And then that's probably it because what else are we gonna do, right?
I'm gonna paint my toenails.
Oh.
Toenails? That sounded like weird.
Yeah, that's weird.
I'm gonna paint my toes. They're my toenails because I'm not gonna paint my toes. Just the nails on my toes.
Yeah, let's do a pic right in front of the tree so we look
I
cute.
can't smile.
You don't have to smile. Smize.
Okay, just like, you know.
3, 2, 1. Sorry.
No, way better.
Yeah.
What do I fit in now?
3, 2, 1.
Wow, nailed it.
Banana.
Banana, 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 na 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 na, banana, na na. Delish.
What is your opinion on the banana nut bread? You guys, this is actually, I feel like, is probably the best banana nut bread
It's so good.
we've made.
And
For sure.
it is
so good.
vegan and gluten-free.
Do you want to know what I think about the banana nut bread?
Uh-huh.
Yeah? I love it. So, good job, Taylor. Tell them where you got it. Tell them.
Brandless.
That lotion is brandless that we have.
Yep.
Oh! Wait! Taylor! Hello. 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 I'm here.
What's up?
Yeah!
Oh my god.
Now it's all making sense. This is
Brandless.
brandless, you guys.
Whoa.
The salon one day had that as their ringtone, and they kept getting text messages, and I kept looking around like, who is it? I was like,
Do you remember when little Casey lost her mama? Did I throw in the towel? No, I didn't. I shined bright, I shined far, I was a star. I am beautiful.
Yes.
We are all rooting for you. How dare you doubt yourself?
We were all rooting for you.
We were all rooting for you.
I was rooting for you. We were all rooting for you.
Okay, you guys. Life Size 2 is officially over. What did you guys think?
I thought it was decent. I thought it was good.
I thought it was a cute movie.
Cute.
Lindsay Lohan didn't make an actual real appearance
No,
though.
I was disappointed in that.
We thought she was gonna cameo in it, and she ended up literally just being in a photo in the movie.
Not good enough.
They made a shout out to Casey. That was it.
Was that her name?
That's it.
Whatever.
So other than that, though, I thought it was a really cute movie. Yeah, right.
Yeah, it was good. I love Tyrus, so whatever.
Yeah. No, yeah, it was fun. It was good. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Cass is gone. She left us like freaking hours ago. It's like literally, what time is it?
Did we tell them? Oh,
11:15.
oh my gosh, it's 11:15.
Literally.
It's way past my bedtime. That's basically it for our night tonight. It's
Yeah,
fun.
guys, so happy Vlogmas. We will see you in the next vlog, which I have no idea what we're going to be doing in the next vlog, but you guys will find out.
You will see.
Bye, guys.
Bye.
I'll see you tomorrow.
Goodbye. Goodbye. Goodbye for now.
Hey, hey. Hey.